Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn rounding of SF or significant figures. Okay, now you know what is significant figures. You know leading zeros and what should we say, trailing zeros and I don't know that one, which is between two, which is between zero non-zero digits. So like this, okay, there are three types. So these are all. Now you all know these. Now we will do rounding off. First we will learn how to round off. Now we get a number, for example 7218. Okay, now and I am saying that round off till one significant figures. Can you do it? No. So when we get how much significant figure we have to round off, we have to start off from the first digit. So we are saying 1 significant figures. So we will do 7. We will underline it. Okay. Oh no. We will do with a blue pen, not with. Okay, 7. Now we have to throw these 3. We have to remove these 3. Now the rule is, before the number which we are rounding off till, if it is less than 5, we can drop it directly, or if it is more than 5, so we have to carry 1. So we will give 7 plus 1, but right now we have a number which is small. We have 2. Okay, so we have dropped in 200. Now what is left? Our answer is 7 only, you think? No, the next 3 zeros we have to write, because these have value and this is making 7000, but this is one significant figure, that is 7. These 3 are trailing zeros. If there was a decimal over here, these were 4. Right now it is 1. Now I think we have understood. So I think I should start with questions, I think. And if you didn't understand, or if you don't understand any topic, tell me in the comment section. I have opened it in every video. Any video you can write your query. Okay. Now we get a question number 1 part A. Question number 1 part A. 0.004700989. Okay, this is the number, and we have to do it till 4SF. I told you we have to start with the significant number till how much we have asked. Now this is our 4SF, until how much it is significant. From 4 it is significant. Okay, now 0.00 is not significant, because these are leading zeros. Now we will start. Now we want 4709. We don't want 89. We have to drop these both. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to drop these both. We have to remove it. 8 and 9. 8 is more than 5, so we will plus 1 2 9. So we are giving 9 plus 1. So your answer is coming 0.00. Always remember these zeros have values, so you have to write it. Okay? 0.0 0.04710. This is your answer. What is 9 plus 1? 10. 0 has no value, so we will remove the number 0. Okay? Till this, you got your answer. Okay? Now have you understood? If you didn't understand, you can tell me. Okay? Now let's do part B. This is the last part. Then I will give you homework, 2 questions. Then you have to write your answers in the comments. Okay? Question number B. Question number B is 3.14159. We have to convert this into 2SF. Yeah? Yes, 2SF. Now we have to do 3. We want 3 and 1. 4 is small, so these all are dropping. All are gone. Your answer is 3. Your answer is I forgot. These all markings you have to do with blue pen, except with question. Your answer is 3.1. Now it is 2SF. Yes. Now I am giving you homework, 2 questions. Hopefully if you can do it. Okay? I am just giving you questions in 2 minutes. This is your homework. These are your both questions. 1.48356. You have to convert this into 4 significant figures. And in B, 3.084. You have to convert this into 2 significant. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. For now, Allah Hafiz.